Hi guys, I am back with an unboxing video. So I purchased this Valentine's Day box, mystery Valentine's box from Daily Charme, and this is my first time opening, even though this video was recorded some time ago. I'm just now getting around to doing my voiceover, so I'm just trying to open this box, struggling. I don't know why I struggled, because it just popped right on out. I don't know. But anyway, so guys, in this box, I hate that little confetti stuff because it gets everywhere. But anyway, so I do have some items that I purchased in addition to the mystery box, and this is one of those items. This is the nail art foil that was under their Chinese New Year theme section on the website. And again, this is not a part of the mystery box. And I also purchased the Daily Charme jewelry gel in a tube, which I've used in previous videos as well. Just hadn't gotten around to doing this unboxing video. So in this box, we have a lot of interesting things here. I really can't be mad at this one. This is a silicone mold. You can put your gel polish in there and cure, and have little 3D wings on your nails. I haven't done one yet, but it works. I tested it out. And then I did purchase some foil transfer gel and 5-in-1 strengthening gel. That wasn't part of the mystery box. So you get I think that's a nail stand, magnetic. It was really pretty, but here again, I don't do false nails, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but really pretty. You get some heart gems or rhinestones. They're not really rhinestones, but they're gems. You put those on your nail. They're kind of big. And then I thought this one was so cute. Look at that little teddy bear in there. Teddy bear and bows. And I actually did a mani with the teddy bear. I just haven't gotten it uploaded yet. And then, y'all, it took me a minute to figure out what these were. They're hearts. They are rhinestone hearts. And I was like, what is this? Duh, Tish, it's hearts. So you got those in the box, along with a nice pink assortment of crystals. And then you have these heart, different shaped studs to put on your nail as well. Quite a few rhinestones in that kit. Now, y'all, it's something about that candy in that little Ziploc bag. Nope, I don't eat that candy, no way. And it came with or that type of candy, and it came with some glitter, which I was trying to open that glitter. I couldn't get that thing open to save my life. But I even tried tweezers and it didn't open. I finally got it open, but then my iPad camera would not focus when I wanted to show it to you guys. But a real two pretty glitters that came in the mystery box as well. And I think I got $6 off of this box because there was a code on Daily Charme's website. So that was pink mixed glitter, and this one is red. It looks like it has hearts and something else in there. It also came with some foils in a little package, black. So transparent black foils. And then we have some little scrunchie. Now, I'm not using that scrunchie, not in this hair. No, that's not for me. But it also came with 3 packs of stickers, the lips. And these stickers right here didn't really remind me of Valentine's Day. The lips did, but the swirls didn't remind me of Valentine's Day at all. Maybe they thought about it because of the color. And the letters didn't remind me of Valentine's Day either. I don't know what was going on there, but I'll end up using them at some point in time. Maybe not this year, maybe next year, or later on, maybe summertime. Figure out what I want to do with those letters. And then it came with 2 gel polishes. One is a cat eye, so you need a magnet, really pretty pink. So you guys know I'll probably do another cat eye mani, just to use those polishes. And I don't think their polishes are HEMA free, by the way. So nice pretty pink color, nicely pigmented polish. And also came with a regular cream pink color as well. Very pretty. Now, I did forget there's a little pink magnet in there. One end has a flower on the end, and the other one you can do lines. So I might be trying those out just to see what type of effects I can get using that magnet and the cat eye polish. Y'all, I always keep my rubber band just so I can wrap that baby around the handle and open it, because sometimes our hands are greasy. or they're just too dry. You can't even grip the bottle good. But that's a nice, almost reminds me of like a hot pink, but not that hot, not that bright of a pink. I'm talking about not that hot. But so yeah, I was finally able to get those stickers off. And again, here my camera will not focus on the doggone glitter pieces, but it was a really pretty glitter. I have yet to use loose glitter in doing my nails. I have to try it one day. It makes me scared. I'm pretty sure it would look good encapsulated with some builder gel. I might try that. And so guys, and this is the red. Again, my camera would not focus. I think it's hearts and circles in there. So not bad. I think this retailed for $49.99 minus the $6 discount code. And I'm just showing you, I forgot that was in the box. I found it after I had paused or stopped the recording. But yes, I'll be trying that magnet. But again, it retailed for like $49.99. I had a discount code. I think it was Love Box, where you got $6 off. Just like I got $6 off with the Christmas mystery box. So again, this is Valentine's Day mystery box. So I'm just rearranging the things. Now that little candy, that bothers me. First of all, I feel like somebody put their hands all over the candy when they put it in that little baggie. That's why I was like, this is going in the trash. But anyway, so guys, I'm just placing these items in the box so you can get a good look at everything. You guys will have to let me know what you think about this mystery box. And have you purchased a mystery box from Daily Charme? Because I watched another YouTuber, Tabitha Scott, who is actually a true nail technician, does great work. I saw her mystery box and we had totally different things. We had some things alike, but most things were different. So you guys, again, let me know what you think about the box. Please like this video, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I hope you guys like it. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.